this side comes out better than this side. I feel like this side came out like poop. To my channel. If you are new, my name is Karina. Welcome to my channel as well. For today's video, I decided to create this makeup look that I have on right now. I was actually really inspired by this one look. I was actually in the mall yesterday and I ended up passing this threading station and I saw this picture frame of this girl and her makeup really caught my attention and I was like, I really need to try to recreate this makeup look. So I actually ended up taking out my phone and taking a picture of that picture frame, and honestly the girls from there thought that I was taking a picture of them, but I wasn't trying to be a creep or anything. This is the picture that I ended up taking, and yeah, I really wanted to try to recreate this look. I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and try something different, and for my first time, I think I did okay, honestly. If you guys are actually interested in how I got this look, then just keep on watching. But before we get started, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to think about subscribing down below. So I'm gonna start off by using my BH Cosmetic Marble Collection Warm Stone, and I'm just gonna be taking this shade right here. I would tell you guys the name of this shade, but fortunately it does not say the name of this shade. So yeah guys, you guys kind of have an idea. So that's the shade right there once again. And I'm just going to be using a fluffy brush and I'm just going to apply this in my crease. So you pretty much just want to follow the shape of your eyelid. Just follow your crease and you'll know where. So like I was saying before I got interrupted by Amy, I needed to change her diaper. Hopefully this side comes out better than this side. I feel like this side came out like poop. And then I'm just gonna be taking my Naked Urban Decay palette, and I'm gonna be taking the shade Buck. It looks just like that. This shade right here. And I'm just gonna apply it on top of my previous shade. So like I was saying, I barely even do these kind of ponytails because I hate having my hair tied to my head, and I just feel like I don't look good with these kind of braids. Like I see these other girls with these kind of braids and they look so beautiful. When I do it on myself, I just look like a little girl. I feel like, ugh. Then I'm going to go back in with my Marble Collection BH Cosmetic palette, and then, otra vez. Then I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Can you guys see it? Yeah, you guys can see it. And also apply that on top. Vas a tirar mi cámara. No, no pases por ahí. Si te vas a ir para por ahí, quédate. It's really hard filming with a toddler. Like right now, tengo nervios. Me vaya a tumbar la cámara. Like I can't film in peace. No! See, I can't film in peace! This is the brush that I always use to clean up my lid. I'm just going to be taking some concealer. I told you guys already that Amy ended up putting her fingers in all of them. That's why it looks the way it does. But anyways, I'm going to be taking this highlight right here. Not highlight. This concealer right there. This color right here. And I'm going to be using this one to clean up my lid a little bit. I suck at explaining. explaining. You want to make sure that you do not breathe when doing this process, because you cannot mess up. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just tap on top of the concealer. I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Paris shade. It's in the shade Ice Latte. And I'm just going to be applying this on top of my concealer. Now this part, I had a little hard time starting on this side. This side was pretty much like practice. But anyways, it's really hard for me to explain it. I guess you have to see. I think I can show you better than explaining to you, if you know what I mean. Está rico mi vino. I'm just gonna use apple juice. I'm just gonna start off by creating my wing liner. So I'm gonna create the I'm telling you, this part's like really hard. Like you cannot breathe and talk at the same time. Literally, you guys can't. It's really hard. I even get frustrated. This is where you're gonna start from here and then drag it to my crease. Like that. You see how it came out? Por estar hablando. I'm back and I have my Q-tip right here. So pretty much I'm just gonna get my Q-tip and I'm gonna be cleaning this up, the mess that I made. And I'm pretty much gonna get my concealer again and clean it up. Just like that, and then I'm just going to tap on top of it once again. Then I'm going to be applying the shade on top of the concealer. And voila! So yeah guys, that's pretty much how I create that look. I don't know how I feel about it. Now I'm just gonna be applying my mascara. I feel like it looks completely different ya con los mascara and falsies. So the mascara that I always use is the CoverGirl, the Super Sizer Fiber. Honestly guys, I suck at choosing mascaras, honestly. Like, I have not found a good one. Like, honestly, I have found really good ones. I found ones that make my lashes look so long and super dark, you know. That's what I like, super full, super dark, and long. But I was able to find good ones, but the thing is, I hate it when the mascara throughout the day, like it gets really dark underneath and it has like little fire or whatever you want to call it, and I just don't like that. And I am not going to be using any shade on my lower lash line, just because I want to keep it simple and, you know. But I will be applying mascara on my lower lash. I'm just going to let my mascara dry. If you guys do not know, I always apply my mascara before curling my lashes. That's how I like it fast. Literally, se me está cayendo todo. So I already have years with this little contour kit. Is it the best? No, it's not, but I honestly like how it, you know, does the work. So I'm just gonna be sticking with this, and I'm gonna be using the middle tone. If you guys are wondering what happened to this one, pregúntale a Amy qué pasó con él. So now I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be taking my Gold Deposit bronzer from MAC, and I'm just going to blend everything out nicely with this. And when I do this, I like brushing upwards. And then I'm going to be taking my Professional Blush Tan Color Blush Palette, and I'm going to be taking this blush right here. I'm telling you guys, like, the makeup look, like, it comes out so bomb with lashes. Like, oh my goodness. I'm gonna send me lipstick. Let me go and get my purse. So here's my purse. And inside my purse, I always carry my lipsticks. Si quieren ver lo que está en mi bolsa, déjame saber con mucho gusto. Yo te enseño. I'm going to be using my Selena MAC lipstick. It's called Double Fudge Lipstick Amor Prohibido. I had another lipstick from Selena, but I honestly don't know what happened to it. I think someone stole it from me. Literally, guys, this is my favorite lipstick, y ya menos se me acaba. Okay, guys, so for my first time attempting this look, it came out pretty good in my opinion. For my first time, you know, I actually like how it came out, honestly. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys really enjoy this look. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys haven't already, make sure to think about subscribing down below and sharing it around with everyone, with anyone, whoever you guys would like. I would really appreciate it, guys. So yeah, guys, until next time.